What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a small little unboxing, something that I waited for a while. I really wanted something of a new of this, okay? So it's a camera and we're gonna have fun with it. So I did have an Insta360, this little guy. Great camera, I'm able to capture great stuff, and I did about 3,000 videos with GoPro 5, and I had the Hero session, put this on my RCs, and then I had real good time with DJI Osmos Pocket gimbal camera. Really good camera. Too bad it fell and no longer wants to calibrate and come on. So I decided to get something new. Why not get a camera? Within a camera is a gimbal and there's no moving parts. Okay, so that's what this baby is right here. This is a GoPro 9. They have 11 out, but this is GoPro 9. Inside the box you get a camera, battery. Let me come closer so you guys can see all this. So inside this you will get a camera, battery, you get some of adapters here to mount the camera, you'll get a C charger and a casing. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna unbox this little guy, check this baby out, and I ended up getting this for half the price, and I won't share that secret with you because the guy's not gonna like it and he's not gonna be happy. So somebody gave me this camera because they like my videos pretty much. Anyways, and I did pay him because I didn't want to leave him out. So I did open it to see what's in there, but you usually come with a little strap here. And all you do is you pull it. It comes apart. And let's look at more things on this box. So 20 MP, 5K, 30 frame, 4K, 60 frame, 1080, 240 frames. Voice activated, 30 feet, 10 meters. Under depth of water, that's how deep you can go. Resistance slow motion 8 times. Data overlay, gonna have to figure that out. That's a data probably telemetry. It'll tell you the mile per hour if you put this on my. I put this on my RCs. All this good stuff. Okay, live stream. That's one of the reasons I really wanted this. And touch screen. And that's everything there. This is what this baby looked like. And we're gonna put this baby to action down the road. So it's future upcoming videos, not immediately, but you will see videos with this camera. So there you go. That's what this baby looked like in here. Okay, so let's do that again. That sounds really good. There you go, the casing. And inside here, you got a manual book, which we never read. I'm already used to the camera. There's the charging port. There's a couple of adapters that I'm not even gonna pull out. We got a battery, and we do have mounts here. You can mount. I'm gonna mount one of these on my car so we can start capturing people do dumb things on the road. And I am trying to do a video on bus drivers because all they do is give you a turn signal and then they just turn into it. They don't even see and they don't even park to the side to to drop off the passengers. Anyways, there's the camera. Okay, we got the battery here, and this baby just peels off, just like that. Do we need to peel it off? We just get out of here. Okay, so I'm not a fan of keeping things for too long. Let's peel this. Oh yeah, the best feeling. And if you look at the eyeball in there, the eyeball moves, okay? So this thing is like a gimbal itself, okay? This thing stabilizes, horizon, stabilize, you guys know what I mean. Anyways, let's peel this off. So you do have a screen on this side, and definitely don't want that there. Hey, there you go, there's my fingerprints on it. So it's a waterproof casing so that you can connect it to the selfie just like that. That's how that baby works. And Where does the battery go? I have no clue. I haven't had one of these in a while. So the one I have, it opens up differently. So this guy opens up like that. And let's see. There you go. So the one I have, the old one, it's different. The tray is in the bottom. You see that? See the difference there? This is on the side. That's the difference there. So take out the battery here. Let's take this battery, and hopefully this battery got some juice. Stick this baby in, and we're gonna close this up. Okay, I like the housing here. It's totally different than a GoPro 5, so this is 9. Turns off pretty fast. Turns on pretty fast. So you do have screen in the front here. And we're probably gonna have to, okay, English. Okay, I gotta go through this. English. Agree. On. Okay, so what is this? Skip setup. We're just gonna skip setup. It's December 28th. Yep. It's about 3 something. We just will fix up the time. So the battery is kind of low. No SD in there. Screen is really nice compared to my other camera. I'm probably gonna start recording with this camera, but you can see it right there. The camera can see everything in there, so you can see yourself in there. Anyways, so now I no longer have to put it connected to my phone because I can see myself in there. Right there, I can see myself. Anyways, love this camera. Thank you for watching my little video. Let me know what you guys think of this little guy, and let me know if you have this camera, how do you feel about it? And I'm gonna have experience with this guy. Let's see how things go down the road. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos, and some of my videos might be with this camera. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye. Stay tuned. So this is the camera I had before from RCs. I'm gonna be using this. And for the shop, this is the GoPro I had from before. So now we're gonna be working with this. And that's it. Let me see how, no memory card in there. Okay, that's how you switch. I'll hold it down and it should turn off. That's it. Bye-bye. Put it in my pocket, go home and test it out.